I have been wanting the Ryobi Circular Saw for a while now. I have finally bought it and I'm going to show you how to install it. First of all, I'm going to take the protective cover off of the blade. Be super careful. And since it's brand new, there should not be a battery in it, but if you are watching this in order to replace the blade, first things first is always make sure your battery is out of your tool. There's an Allen wrench that is hiding back here. Pop that out, and we're gonna loosen this bolt. So normally it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but in this situation it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey, if that makes sense. And in order to do that, you're gonna press this button down. It is what locks the blade. Lock that. Uh-oh. This. The name on the blade is going to be facing outside, so that'll help you to know which way you need to put that. Just flip this around. Place that. It's there. Take the bolt. Oh, whoops. This on first. Bolt. And remember, it's the opposite way. I'm gonna push my button down again. Oh, whoops. And that is it.